ECMC treats more than 150 victims of sexual assault every year, but doctors say there are many more out there. That's because many are too afraid to come forward. 2 on your side's Erica Brecker shows us how a new collaborative program here in Western New York is making getting health care like that just a little easier.
As part of the Evans collection, we take our patients, the victims of sexual assault, clothing.
A team of nurses at ECMC have, at times, dug into their own pockets to make sure victims can feel clean and wear new clothes when they're released from the hospital. But those resources aren't always there.
They've already been through the trauma. Then we take their belongings. There's no chance of getting them back.
That means a person who's already been through so much could be discharged in a hospital gown.
There are patients that don't have anyone to call. They may not be able to return to that home.
But now, through a meaningful collaboration between ECMC, Crisis Services, the It Happened to Alexa Foundation, and many generous donors, the sexual assault nurse examiners, SANE nurses they're called, will soon have comfort care kits to give every victim every time.
Our tie to this project especially is that after her trauma, she was in Boston, her family was here in Buffalo, she was released from the hospital in a hospital gown.
It's been the foundation's mission to assist victims ever since, so it's organized a collection of things like toiletry items and new sweatshirts and t-shirts to make these comfort care kits. Every rape victim from now on will be able to shower at the hospital and change into clean clothes.
We take care of the patient in its entirety, in its totality, and so the gift that we have of being a nurse and then the education from being a forensic nurse, it really just helps the patient.
It makes a huge difference immediately. It's something that the nurse can do to say, we care about you.
There are several local Rotary clubs, the Niagara County Sheriff's Office, all 3 area BAC for Women locations, and the Orchard Park Chamber of Commerce, all of which are collecting new items for these kits now through Friday. The It Happened to Alexa Foundation is also accepting money and then helping put all these kits together this weekend. If you want to help, look for all of this information in an article very shortly on WGRZ.com. Erica Brecker, Channel 2 News.